I'm Robert from Roughchild, and this is our Aventurine Green Bobber. Aventurine Green is a Porsche colour, first introduced on the 911 in 1995, the 993. Muted grey-green colour. In low light it looks very grey, and then when you're in bright sunlight it's got like a green metallic to it. Really great colour. As ever, we're always trying to improve every bike. And with that, each one proposes a new challenge. With this bike, the challenge really came in softening it up. We've always set them up pretty sporty with the Öhlins suspension front and rear. And the beauty of the Öhlins is that you can really dial them in to be whatever you want. And in this instance, a softer ride with all the compliance, so still sporty, just a bit more plush. We've done that with a longer spring, slightly lower spring rate, and it feels great. It's really like cashmere. Gone with our proven 1070cc twin spark engine. And as you can see, it looks great. These cylinder heads are from a European bike with large port, large valve heads. 1977, BMW introduced the R100 RS with large valves. 44 on the exhaust valve, and it's either 40 or 42 on the intake. It allows more airflow in and more airflow out because it's a larger valve. We've got 1070cc displacement. We've gone back to the large valve head, and large port is this large section here so that it can suck in more air from the carburetor. That is a large port, large valve head. Originally, we weren't going to run a pinstripe, customer spec, no pinstripe. And then we put the bike together and it just looked like something was missing. So, naturally went with a hand-painted black pinstripe in the traditional style. I think it really finishes it off. Yeah, that's pretty good. Best one yet.